morning, dear students. Hello.
Good morning. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, everyone. Okay, so it's 8 o'clock in the watch, but still, I feel many of you must be feeling sleepy. So, myself, Swati teacher, welcome you all to the online lectures of Standard First through BMC, Brihan Mumbai Mahanagarpalika Shikshan Vibhag. Okay, so if in case you're feeling sleepy, so let's start with the game. Do you like games?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, great. So now the game which we are going to play is little tricky. Okay, tricky in the sense that I'm going to tell you one alphabet. Okay, and from that alphabet you have to bring the object and show me. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
I am going to tell you one alphabet and you have to bring the object and show me. Okay. So, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Say loudly.
Teacher.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Say yes.
Yes. Teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Great. Great. So, now the first letter from which you have to show me the object is P. Bring any object from P. What object do you have nearby you? Show me the object.
Pen.
Come on. Very good. Very good, Rehan. But you have to show me the object, huh? Just don't say the names. Show me the objects. Okay? So Rehan has brought the object. Vaidahi also. Ikra also. Very good. Very nice. Okay. So now your next alphabet is N.
Nest.
N.
Nest.
No, but show me the objects. Show me the objects from N. Come on. Yes, those who have...
No.
Okay, nose. Very good. You can show me the object as nose. Aditya, what you are showing me? What is that?
Napkin.
But it is not from N. Okay, no problem. Rehan, can you show me any object from N?
Yes, teacher, no.
Okay, anything else? Can anybody else show me the objects from N? And you have to be quick, huh? Quick, fast. Okay. Shall I show you the object from N? Shall I show you the object from N?
Yeah. And for
okay.
no. Yes, teacher. And for no.
This is what? It's a notebook.
Notebook.
Yes, you're having notebook, है ना?
Okay. Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now your next object. Yes, Aryan. Very good. You also took out your notebook. Yes, good girl. So now your next object for your next letter is B. B for?
Book.
Show me some objects quickly. Come on.
Book.
Yes.
Book.
Book, but show me. Come on, show me. Yes, Aryan. Very good.
Box.
Where is the box? Come on, show me the box. Who is saying box? Very good, Aryan. You are showing. Okay, Naman. Box and notebook. Okay, book. Fine.
I go.
Ikra is also showing box. That is, it is called as a compost box. Okay. Very good. Book, Mayuresh. And who was it? She was showing bag. Okay, very nice, kids. Good. So I feel that you are all awake. You are feeling fresh. Yes or no? Yes, Parul.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So you all are feeling very fresh. So as I said, it's already 8 o'clock on the watch and now it's study time. But what studies every time? Let's do something interesting. Okay. So, do you like stories?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Do you like
Yes,
stories?
teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, what different stories you have heard? Do you know any story? Do you know any story?
No, teacher.
No, Rehan. Oh, you didn't listen to that story? The thirsty crow, the monkey and the cat sailor.
Oh,
No? Oh,
teacher.
yes. Okay, okay, great. So now I'm going to show you one story. So here today I welcome you on behalf of Brihan Mumbai Mahanagarpalika Shikshan Vibhag online lectures, and my name is Swati Solanke, teacher. Today is 30th January 2021 and we are going to study about subject English. But in English, we are going to study about grammar. Okay. We are going to study about what? Grammar.
Grammar.
Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to show you some pictures of the story. Okay. You all like stories now?
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Okay. So let's see one story. Okay. See, what is the story about? What can you see on the slide here? What is this all?
Parrot.
Animals. Very good. Animals and birds are there. Okay.
Yes,
So now yes. So now I'm going to show you the characters of the story. See, there are 6 characters in the story. Okay. So what is the first character? The first character is a doggy. Okay, can you see the doggy over here?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
What is this? A doggy. Then the next character is what? Tota.
Parrot.
Parrot. But his name here in the story is Tota. What is the name of the parrot? Tota. Okay. So what is the next character? Bhalu.
Bhalu.
Okay. Yes. Then who is the next? Who is the next character in the story?
Crow.
Oh. What is the color of the crow?
Black.
Very good. Very nice. See, the next character is what? Monkey. Monkey, right. But here we are using the short form name. So we are calling him the monk. What we are calling him? Monk.
Monk.
Okay. And the last character of our story is kitten.
Kitty.
But here her name is Kitty.
Kitty.
What's her name is? Kitty.
Kitty.
Okay. Okay. So in this story, yes, very good. So in this story, these all characters, these all animals and birds decided to play one game. Okay. Decided to play one game.
Okay,
Do you
teacher.
play games? Do you play games?
Yes, teacher.
Which games do you play?
Hide and seek.
Very good. So here, these all animals and birds also decided to play hide and seek. Okay. Do all of you know the meaning of hide and seek? Tell me the Hindi name of hide and seek.
Luka Chupi.
Very nice. Very good. Fabulous. So, here, all these animals and birds decided to play the game of hide and seek. Okay? But as there were 6 animals and birds, so they decided 4 of them will hide and 2 animals will find them. Okay? So, you can see this. The crow and the doggy decided to find them, find the other animals and birds. Okay? And the 4 animals like monk, parrot, bhalu, and the kitty, they all gone and they hide somewhere. Okay? So, first picture. Okay. So, can you see these pictures?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So, just observe these pictures carefully. Okay? Observe these pictures carefully. I am giving you 2 minutes. Okay? See the pictures carefully.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Finished watching with the pictures?
Yes, teacher.
Have you seen all the pictures properly?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, from the first picture, the crow and the doggy started asking, what is the question they started each other asking? Where is the kitty? So, they started thinking that now they are going to play hide and seek. All the animals had started hiding and they started looking for the kitty. So, they both were talking, where is the kitty? So, from the above picture, can anybody of you tell me where is the kitty from the first picture?
In the log.
Very good. Very nice. So the kitty is in the log. Where is the kitty?
In the log. The kitty is in the log.
Very good. Very nice. So the next question. So we found the kitty. Okay. Now next. So the crow and the doggy now started searching for Tota. Okay. So they were talking to each other. Where is the Tota? Can you see the Tota somewhere?
Yes, teacher.
So where is the Tota?
Behind the flower.
Behind the flower? Is he there behind the flower?
No, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Actually, Tota is under the leaf and flowers. Means down. Down. Tota is to the down of the leaves and flowers. Okay. So we can also call it as under the leaf and flowers. Okay.
Yes,
Is it
teacher.
okay for you all?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. The next question. Now the crow and the doggy started looking for the bhalu. Okay. So now they have already found two of their friends. Who were they? The kitty and the tota. They have found them. Okay. Now the crow and doggy are looking for the bhalu. Can you show me where is the bhalu?
Under the tree.
Yes.
Behind the tree.
Very nice, bachcho. So, here the bhalu is behind the tree. Can you see this in the slide? Where is the bhalu? The bhalu
Behind
is
the tree.
very good, very nice. But the last animal is remaining. So, now they have found three of their friends and one last friend is remaining. So both of them started talking to each other. Now our last friend is remaining. So where is the monk? So can you all tell me where is the monk?
Under the ground.
Under the ground. See properly. Anybody want to answer? Where is the monkey? Where is the monk?
On the tree. Top of the tree.
No, he is not at the top of the tree. He is also, see his face is visible, right? So that means if his half face is visible, that means he is behind
Under
the
the
tree.
tree.
No, beta, he is behind
Behind the tree.
Yes. So the monkey is also behind the tree. Okay. Did you all get this?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, you all play the game of hide and seek, right?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Here, all these 6 animals were also playing hide and seek. Who were searching the other animals? Who two friends were searching?
Crow and dog.
Doggy. Yes. And who were hiding? Who 4 friends were hiding?
Tota, Bhalu.
Yes, come on.
Tota, Bhalu, kitty.
Yes. And
Kitty.
and
Tota,
one.
Bhalu,
Yes.
kitty.
Okay. Okay, very good. But once again, so here, so all of them, these animals were hiding. Okay. And they decided some place and they hide there. Now tell me, here above in the story, the kitty was in the log, the tota was under the leaf and the flowers, the bhalu and the monkey were behind the tree, right? Yes, are you all listening?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you read these words for me? What is the first word?
In.
Yes. What is the second word?
Under.
Yes, right. And what is the third word?
Behind.
Behind. Okay. Now we know the meaning of these words, right? We know what is the meaning of these words. But do you know what are these words called as? Do you know what are these words called as? These words are called as prepositions. What are these words called as?
Preposition.
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 Okay. So, prepositions. What exactly does it mean? What exactly does it mean? So, the meaning of preposition is a preposition of place shows us the position or location of something, and it shows the relationship between the noun and the other words. Okay, so here basically what do you mean by the preposition? It is the position or location of something. Okay, so if we see here in this slide, we come to know that in every picture, the animals who are hiding, they have some position, right? They are hiding at one position. The kitty is inside the log. The tota is, yes, the tota is under the leaf and the flowers. The bhalu and the monkey are behind the tree. So these are what? The positions or places. Okay. Okay. Have you understood this much? What are these words called as?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Preposition.
Preposition.
Okay. But some of you are making a little mistake in pronouncing it. Okay. So we will repeat this word 3 times. Okay. I will say first and you repeat after me. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, come
Okay,
on. You
teacher.
are. Yes, say loudly. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So the word is prepositions.
Preposition. Preposition.
Okay, one more time. Prepositions.
Preposition.
And the last time, what are the word called as? Preposition.
Preposition. Preposition.
Very good. Very nice. So, as we have learned about 3 of the prepositions, that is, we learned 3 prepositions here: in, under, behind. But there are few more prepositional words. Okay. There are few more words that are prepositions. So just we will have a look on them. So first of all, which we have learned just now, is in. So, yes. Yes, right. But how can you explain me? See, the dog is staying
The dog is in the kennel.
Yes, the dog is sitting in the kennel. Yes, that is under. Okay. So, what is the English word for under? That is in.
In.
Okay. So, is it clear to you all?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, our next preposition word is on. O-N, on. Okay. So, what can you see in this slide?
The cat is on the basket.
Very good.
Cat.
See, the cat is, she is looking at you or sleeping.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Yes, miss.
What is the cat doing? What is the cat doing? She is sleeping, na?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. She is sitting on the basket. Like, on means what? Upper. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Yes. So, the cat is sitting on the basket. Okay. Up of the basket. Okay. Is it clear to you all?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now the third word is, read the word for me. Under. What can you, yes, what can you see in this picture?
The pumpkin is under the bench. Under the bench.
Very good.
Is under the bench.
Okay, students, you are very smart. So here in this picture, there is a pumpkin, but the pumpkin is kept under the bench. Under means what? Down. Okay. Down
Okay,
to the,
teacher.
yes. But we cannot say the word down here. That's why we are saying it as the pumpkin is kept under the bench. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Yes. So the next word is over. Over. Over means what?
Over.
Finish? Over means what? Finish?
No.
No. No. Here the meaning of the word over is up. Up.
Up.
See. Yes. Where can you see the chicken?
Up.
Up. Up of the box.
Up
Yes or
of
no?
the box.
So we cannot say up. That's why we are
Over.
using the word over.
Over the box.
Yes. The
The
chicken is over
Over
the.
the box.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. See, now our next word is next to. What can you see in this slide? Tell me.
Mouse. Mouse.
Yes. And where is the mouse standing?
Front of the box.
No, she is not in the front. She
No.
is not in the front. She is to the side.
Door.
Haan.
Side.
Yes, to the next side. Okay. The mouse is standing to the next side of the box. Okay.
Yes, teacher. Okay, teacher.
Is it clear?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now the next one. Here, as we have seen the above pictures, see here it is written next to. So next to is, what is the meaning of next to? That is beside.
Beside.
Beside, like
Next.
it is to the side, near. Okay, nearby.
Yes, teacher.
And the next word is above. So as we saw here, above. Here, above and over are the same words. Okay. The chicken is above. Up. Up na? Up of the box. So we can
Yes,
also.
teacher.
Yes. So the same meaning of over is what? Above.
Above.
Here. Above and over. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
See the third word. As we saw here, the pumpkin is under the bench. Under means what? Downside, right?
Downside.
So, yes. So there is another word for under also, that is called as below. Okay. So have you understood all these words?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Our next preposition word is, see, what is the word? Between.
Between.
Yes. And what do you mean by between? See, what can you see in the picture? 1 minute. What can, yes, what can you see in the picture?
The chicken is.
1 minute, don't give the answer. I said, what can you see in the picture? There are 2 eggs.
2 eggs and 1 bird.
1 chicken. Okay. And the chicken is in the center. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. In both the sides, left and right, there are eggs. And chicken is in the center. So,
Between.
yes. For such position, we use the word between.
Between.
Yes. What do we call it as?
Between.
Very good. Now, see the next word. As we saw the bhalu in the story, where was the bhalu?
Behind that
Yes,
tree.
behind. So here also in the picture, see where is the mouse?
Behind.
Behind the box. Behind
Behind
means
the
what? Yes, behind means what? To the back side of something. Okay? To the
Yes,
back
teacher.
side. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
See, the mouse is to the back side of the box. So the word is behind.
Behind.
Yes. And here, what can you see? Where is the mouse?
The mouse is in front of the box.
Very good. Front. Front means what? Samne. Okay. So here, the mouse is in front of the box. Have you understood all these words?
Yes, teacher.
Pakka?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, still we will just have a summary. Okay. Summary means what? We will just recapitulate. We will just revise these all prepositions. Okay. Now, the words that I taught you are called as what? Prepositions.
Preposition.
Yes. So, see, there is a girl, okay, and she is having what? She is having a ball.
Ball.
Yes. See in the first yes, see in the first picture, she is lying on the ball. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Ha. In the second picture, there are two balls, right?
Yes, teacher.
And where is the girl sitting?
Between the ball.
Very good. Very good. So the girl is sitting between the two balls. Okay. Yes. In the third picture, where is the girl sitting?
Under a ball.
No. Under nahi. She is sitting besides the ball. Besides means what? Next to, near. Right? See, she is sitting nearby the ball, right?
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Beside means by touching the ball. Very nearby. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Next to the ball. In the fourth picture, the girl is holding the ball on her head. Yes or no?
Yes,
So,
teacher.
where is the ball?
Oval the ball. Oh,
No. The ball is up. But where is the girl? She is under. Under the ball.
Under
Yes.
the ball.
Yes, the ball is up. The girl is sitting down. So, where is the girl? The girl is under the ball. Okay.
Under the ball.
Right. In the next picture, where is the girl sitting?
In the box.
Very good. Yes, the girl is sitting in the box. In the next picture, where is the girl?
Above the ball.
Yes. Above means what?
Up.
Over. Over. I taught you na. The same meaning of above is what? Over.
Over.
Over the ball. Upside of the ball. See the seventh picture. Where is the girl sitting?
In front of ball.
No, sorry. In front of the ball. Okay. The girl is sitting. Yes. Samne. So the girl is sitting in front of the ball. Okay. Here the next, where is the girl sitting? She is sitting nearby the ball.
Near the ball.
Okay. But here, is she touching the ball?
No, teacher.
There is some space between the ball and the girl. So this in this picture, this is called as near. Okay. There is a little space. But in the third picture above, there is no space between the girl and the ball. So that is called as besides.
Beside.
And here in the seventh picture, the girl is near the ball.
Near the ball.
Yes. And in the last picture, just see carefully. See carefully. Where is the girl sitting?
Behind the ball.
Yes. Very nice. So the girl is... Okay. So now you have understood all the words?
Yes, teacher.
I am going to take your test. So here I have this one. What is this?
Box.
Box. Yes, this is what? One box. Okay. And what is this?
Goggle. Goggle.
Okay, great. So now I will be keeping this goggle somewhere around the box. And you have to tell me the answers. The preposition words which just now I taught you. Okay. I taught you all the words, right? Okay. So now, see here. This is what?
Box.
Okay. Now tell me.
Goggle. Goggle is about the box. Goggle is about the box.
No, it's not up. No, it's not above. It's not above.
Goggle.
Where is the goggle?
The goggle is on the box.
Yes. The goggle is on the box. Okay. The goggle is on. On means what? You have kept this goggle on the box. Okay. Understood?
Okay, teacher.
Above me. So the goggle is on the box. Okay. Now tell me, where is the goggle?
The goggle is in front of the box.
Very good, Rehan.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. The goggle is in front of the box. Okay. But why every time Rehan is also only giving the answers? Come on, Ikra. Yes, Aradhya, Vihan, Shruti. Give the answers. Vaidahi. Okay. Everybody has to give the answer. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Did I teach to Rehan only? I taught you all, na? So,
Yes, teacher.
everyone has to give the answer, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So, here the goggle is in front of the box. Okay?
Okay, teacher. In
Come on,
front.
read after me. In front of.
In front of. In front.
Okay. Now, tell me, where is the goggle?
The goggle is goggle is in the box. The box.
Very good. The goggle is
In the box. The box.
The goggle is
In the box.
box. Very good. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Now tell me, where is the goggle?
The goggle in box outside. The goggle is behind the box. The goggle
Yes, see.
is the box.
The goggle is
Behind the box.
very good. Come on, say loudly. Where is the goggle?
The goggle is behind the box.
Very good. So the goggle is behind the box. Okay. Now the next word we are going to say. Okay. Where is the goggle?
The goggle is near the box.
Rehan, 1 minute. Yes, Pratiksha, 1 minute. Pratiksha, do you want to answer? Where is the goggle?
Near.
Yes, Pratiksha, where are you? Yes, Pratiksha, tell me, where is the goggle?
Behind the box.
No, beta, it's not behind the box. Where is the goggle? See, the box is up and the goggle is down. So what do we call it? Where is the goggle?
Teacher, may I the box?
No.
May I answer?
See, what is this word? What is this word? Below. Yes, the goggle is below the box. Okay, the goggle is, yes, and we can also say as under. Okay, we can also say these two words, under and below. Okay, we can also say this as under and below. Okay, now tell me, where is the goggle?
The goggle is above the box.
Very good. The goggle is
Above
above
the
the box. Yes, the goggle is above the box. And what is the another word of above?
The goggle is over the box.
Very good. Very nice. So, the goggle was above the box and the goggle was over the box. Understood?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now tell me, where is the goggle?
The goggle is beside the box.
Very nice. Very nice. The goggle is besides. Beside means what? See, the goggle is touching the box, right? These both are touching each other. That is called as besides. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Understood, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Rehan. Okay, Ikra. Now the last thing. Okay. Now tell me, is a glass, but the goggle is in the center. Okay. So what is the word? What is the word for center?
Between.
Very good. So the word for center is what? Between.
In the glass.
Yes. The goggle is between the box and the glass. Okay. So you all understood this?
Yes, teacher.
Understood all the words?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. So now I am going to give you one homework. Okay?
Yes,
Just see the slide. Here is the homework for you. Okay? See. Can you see the homework page?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So again, in this page, there are animals at different places. Okay. What are these words called as? Tell me, what are these words called as?
Proposition.
Very good. Very good. So these words are called as prepositions. And what is the meaning of preposition?
Yes,
What is the
teacher.
meaning? Position words. What are they?
Position word. Position word.
Okay. So I will send you this homework. Okay? See, where is the cat? Tell me, where is the cat?
The cat is on the table.
Very
The
good.
cat is on the table.
Where is the dog? Where is the dog?
The dog is in the box.
Good. Where is the rat?
The rat is near the box.
But see, but here in the blue line, there is no near option. What is the option there?
The rat is beside the box.
Besides is also not there. The rat is next to the box. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Where is the duck?
The duck is under the table. The duck
Very
is
good.
under the table.
Very nice. In the fifth picture, where is the rabbit?
The rabbit is beside the table.
Besides?
Under table. Behind the table.
Yes.
Under
The rabbit is behind the table. Where is the hen?
The hen is in the hen is above the table.
No, she is not above. Where is she? Look at her carefully.
The hen is front of the table.
Yes, the hen is in front of the table. The hen is in
front of the table.
Okay, so yes. So that's it for our today's lecture. So did you understood all the words of preposition?
Yes, teacher.
Pakka?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Thank you so much.